Hey y'all, it's me, Blanche, coming at you with another video. This time it's about Uber, and I wanted to show you just a little bit of how to, when you receive a tip, and how to thank them properly. So let's see if I can do this on here and show y'all. Let's go to the Uber app. It just takes a few seconds or longer. Okay, so I'm going to go here, and it's been a while since I've been here. I've only been working the Uber for a couple of days now. So, okay. Go to select a week, and then I'm going to go here. And then we're going to go down here, and we're going to press on this right here. And then these are all the drives or whatever. So we're going to go here, and it's on trip detail. And then I'm going to push this, and the thanks went to the person who gave me a tip. So we're going to get out of here. And then I'm going to go to the next one. And I'm going to push that again. And it says thanks sent, if you can see that. Then I'm going to go back out here. And then I'm going to go to this one. And I'm going to put thanks sent there. I don't want it to be blurry. I'm sorry if it was blurry. Okay. Then I'm going to go to this one down here. And then I'm going to do that again on all these right here. Okay, I did that one. Then I'm going to go to this one. I mean, surely you can do it right there and then, right when it says that you received a tip, it'll notify you that you did. I'll go to this one. Okay, thanks was already sent on that one. And then this one. Maybe they automatically, because I don't remember doing these two. But maybe they automatically do that. But I've only been working this for just one day. Getting back into it, I guess. So that's where you go. You select a week. So I mean, I haven't been working Uber, I was working DoorDash. But something personally happened, so I'm coming back to, well, I haven't been working a few days. I've only been working a day. Sorry about that. But yeah. Okay, this is just this. How many hours did I put in? I put in 4 hours online, 9 trips, and that was my total earning. And my legs were sore from that. But I didn't go today. I might go in tomorrow night or tonight. But that's it, y'all. That's how you give your thanks to the people who tip you. See right here, you get inbox. This is right here. You received a tip. Tap to view receipt or send thanks to your, your customer. So on this right here, when I tap it, it says that. So I go here, earnings, see details. Oh no, yeah, is it? Yeah, see earnings. Oh no, see, it does that too. Okay. Okay, see details, and then come up here, select a week. There you go. And then you select that, and then you select that, and then there you go. And that's it. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hopefully I can come out with some more videos of Uber Eats. But thanks for watching, y'all. And thank you for my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for my OGs for sticking around. I appreciate y'all, period. So, I will see you in the next video. Bye.